Hello everyone, welcome back to NIIT. Today I'll take you through the fascinating world of neural networks. These are the backbone of modern artificial intelligence, allowing computers to learn patterns, make predictions, and even generate human-like texts and images. By the end, you'll have a simple yet clear understanding of what neural networks are and how they work. Before we get into the details, let's talk about why neural networks matter so much. Neural networks are the brains behind AI. They help computers do things like recognize faces, understand speech, and even drive cars. Things we used to think only humans could do. Imagine you're at a fancy restaurant. You place your order. Let's say lasagna. That's your input. The kitchen team is like a neural network. Each chef has a role, just like layers in the network. One chef chops the veggies, another prepares the sauce, another layers the pasta. Each chef adds their own touch and passes the dish to the next one. They don't know the full recipe, they just do their part based on what they've learned. In a neural network, it's the same idea. Each neuron or chef takes in some input, does its job using a small calculation, and passes the result to the next layer. Just like that, network transforms simple ingredients into something amazing, just like lasagna. Let's talk about neural networks, the computational models that are changing the game in AI. These systems are modeled after the human brain, and just like how we learn from experience, neural networks learn from data. They're made up of layers of tiny units called artificial neurons, each one processing a small piece of information. On their own, they're simple, but when connected in layers, they become capable of solving complex problems. From unlocking your phone with your face, to translating languages instantly, to helping cars drive themselves, neural networks are behind it all. They're not just shaping the future of AI, they're shaping the future of how we live, work, and connect. Think of a neural network as a smart processing system made up of three key layers that work together seamlessly. First comes the input layer. This is where it all begins. Raw data, like images, text, or numbers, enters the system ready to be understood. Then comes the hidden layers. These are the true engines of intelligence. Each hidden layer performs complex calculations, transforming the data and revealing patterns that aren't obvious at first glance. Third comes the output layer. This is where everything comes together. The final result is produced, whether it's a prediction, a classification, or a decision. And here's the interesting part. The more hidden layers a network has, the deeper it becomes. That's why we call them deep neural networks. With each extra layer, the system can handle more complexity and deliver smart, more accurate results. Ever wondered how a neural network actually learns? The answer might surprise you. It learns just like we do, through trial, error, and constant improvement. When the network is given data, it starts by making an initial prediction. But that first guess isn't always right. So what happens next? The network compares its prediction to the correct answer and learns from the difference. This process is called backpropagation. It works by sending the error backwards through the network, adjusting the internal weights and biases along the way. The result? A smarter, more accurate network that keeps improving each time it trains. It's a powerful cycle. Predict, compare, correct, and repeat until the network gets it right. Neural networks aren't one size fits all. Just like tools in a toolbox, different types of networks are built for different tasks. Let's look at a few key types. Feed-forward neural networks. These are the simplest form and are great at recognizing patterns. They're commonly used for tasks like image classification and trend analysis. Convolutional neural networks or CNNs. These specialize in visual data. From facial recognition to self-driving cars, CNNs are experts at spotting complex patterns in images. Recurrent neural networks or RNNs. These are designed for handling sequences. They are ideal for tasks where the order of information matters, like speech recognition or language translation. Transformers. These are the powerhouses behind modern AI tools like ChatGPT. They understand context, generate human like responses, and have transformed how we interact with technology. Each type of network is purpose built, but together they give AI the ability to solve a wide range of real world challenges quickly, intelligently, and at scale. Neural networks aren't just improving technology, they're transforming entire industries. Here's how they're making a real world impact. In image and speech recognition, neural networks are the invisible force behind life changing tools like apps that help the visually impaired or voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. They're giving machines the power to see and hear. In healthcare, these networks are revolutionizing how we diagnose diseases and discover new treatments. They're helping doctors detect problems earlier and scientists develop life saving drugs faster than ever. For self driving cars, neural networks act as the vehicle's eyes and brain, instantly interpreting the road, recognizing signs and people, and making decisions in real time to keep passengers safe. And in our daily lives, from chatbots to language translation, neural networks make machines understand and respond in ways that feel more human, more natural, and more helpful. Neural networks are driving some of today's most powerful innovations, and this is just the beginning. Neural networks are truly revolutionary, but like any powerful technology, they come with both strengths and challenges. So, what makes them so powerful? At their core, neural networks learn from data. They adapt on their own, spotting patterns that even humans might miss. This ability to improve with experience makes them incredibly accurate and incredibly valuable. But there are challenges too. Neural networks need huge amounts of data to learn effectively, and processing all that information takes massive computing power, like running a high performance engine around the clock. One of the biggest concerns? Transparency. These networks often work like a black box. We see the outcome, but it's hard to understand how they got there. That makes it difficult to fully trust them in high stakes situations. But here's the opportunity. By understanding these limitations, we can keep improving, making AI systems more transparent, efficient, and reliable for everyone. Imagine a future where neural networks are not just smart, but deeply intuitive. The exciting part? That future is already taking shape. Thanks to advances in deep learning, AI is becoming faster, more powerful, and more capable than ever. Every breakthrough pushes the boundaries, transforming industries and unlocking new possibilities. But here's what truly groundbreaking. Researchers are making big progress in making AI more transparent. We're moving towards systems that don't just give answers, but also help us understand how and why they got there. And that clarity builds trust. At the same time, the focus on ethics is growing. From reducing bias to ensuring fairness and accountability, these conversations are shaping the way AI is built and used. So, what's next? Neural networks will continue to shape industries, spark innovation, and improve our lives in ways we're only beginning to imagine. The future of AI is full of promise, and we're just getting started. To wrap things up, neural networks are the core of modern AI, working just like the human brain to process information and make decisions. From facial recognition to self driving cars, these powerful networks are at the heart of the technology that's transforming our world. While they still face challenges, their potential is limitless. As technology continues to evolve, neural networks are set to become even more powerful, efficient, and accessible to everyone. The future of AI is unfolding, and neural networks will be at the center of it all. Alright, that's a wrap. Join NIT's program today and take the first step towards securing your future. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more career insights, and drop a comment on which tool you're most excited about. See you in the next one.